Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset forgotten PayPal password. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have mistakenly, maybe let's say you didn't use PayPal for quite some time and you forgot your password. Either way, this video is going to be short, quick, and simple, so make sure to follow it up until the end. There's not going to be a lot of steps. So first what we're going to do is that we're actually going to go onto our PayPal app, which is this blue and white icon. And it's important to note that you do want to make sure that your PayPal app is up to date. So go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're on the login screen of PayPal, what you're going to be able to do is actually click on Forgot Email. So let's go ahead and click on Forgot Email. And then from this page, you're going to be able to actually go ahead and type in an email, and then PayPal will find the one that matches your correct account. So you can try up to 3 emails you may use for PayPal in order to actually retrieve your account. But either way, do make sure that you go ahead and try the best way as far as you knowing which email is tied to your PayPal account. Either way, afterwards, you're going to be sent the email, and hopefully you have access to that email to go ahead and follow the prompts to remember or basically retrieve your forgotten password. With that said, you may also want to instead use a phone number just in case. So by using a phone number, maybe you accidentally signed up to PayPal using a phone number. So it is important to note that with PayPal, you can log in using either your email or your phone number. But either way, this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and reset your forgotten PayPal password. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.